How many employees do you need to average at least build $1 million company? Is it like you have to have a certain number of crews on average?
Mhm. Yeah, so it works out to be about 12. About
And
12.
is it possible to, in that number, hire an estimator so that eventually, even if it takes years, I could eventually work my way to just doing project coordination, possibly mostly from home, so that I could do some co-homeschooling for my kids
Mhm.
and still run my business?
So you can get to 12 guys, do a million, and work 30 hours a week with the right tech stack and the right culture. As long as you have the right people on the team, because if you hire good people, they take care of the customer, they take care of the company. And the estimator slash salesman with the right culture and the right tech stack can manage their own projects easily.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not sure how many hours you're looking to get down to. You usually don't bring on an additional salesperson until about the 1.2, 1.5 mark. But you can get down to 30 hours of the right tech stack at 10, 12 guys. As long as
Yeah.
you hire the right people, right? Hire all stars, hire for character, protect culture, and make sure your tech stack is locked in and zap in and doing all the heavy lifting for you on the admin side and the operations. And
Yeah.
you get a lot of your time back. And that's how I was home in the afternoons. And I've got that picture of me and Samuel in the pool. And I saved that because that was a memory of being able to be home every afternoon.
Right.
And that was the first time Samuel swam in the pool and working 30-hour weeks. And
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. And was there a significant change that got you from, for example, maybe 500,000 to 1 million and you're on your way up?
So one thing that we did is I went all in for a season. So April and I had a conversation. We sat down and I said, look, I think we can really get this to a point to where we're cash flowing really well and I get my time back. And so what we agreed on was that for 6 days a week, I would work until 6 p.m., which means whatever time I got up, I was all in, work until 6 p.m. But I was home from 6 to 8 p.m., no phone, 100% present with them, 6 days a week. And then on Sunday, I was 100% present with them. But the other 6 days, I was building. I was all in building. So it wasn't like 40 hours a week trying to build a business and the rest of the time spend time with family. No, it was intense. I was all in just for a season, but it worked. And we got to a point where we were cash flowing handsomely and the tech stack was in. And I went from working, I don't know, whatever it was, 80 hours or something to down to 30. So if you go all in for a season, if you work like nobody else, then eventually you get to live like nobody else.
Yeah.
But it's just for a season and it was an agreement I had with my wife.
Awesome.
You're welcome.
Very good.